In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 quick things to know about screencasting, about length, style, and process. The first thing is that these should be really tight, really concise. 0 to 6 minutes is the optimal length. People will watch at a declining rate after 6 minutes have passed, and you can get a lot done in a couple minutes. This video is going to be shorter than 2 minutes, for example. And to keep it short, you can talk a little quicker than you might think. Actually, we can talk at a conversational rate. And we can use a small number of slides. 5 to 10 is a perfect number. In this case, I'm using 10. And the next key thing is that you just want a small number of ideas. Just 3 key ideas is a perfect number. You don't want to overwhelm people. In this case, I'm just telling you to keep it short, to keep it personal, and to use a process. Those are my 3 quick tips. So the second tip after keeping it short is to keep it personal. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be super pretty or fancy. Fonts don't matter as much as clarity, simplicity, directness, and your personality. People want to see who you are. They want to hear from you, their teacher, their instructor, their friend, their colleague. So keep it personal, keep it relaxed. I don't have a script I'm following here. I'm just talking to you who's listening. The last tip is to follow a process. Planning is super important. Think about what you're going to say, have an idea of what you're going to say, and then record it. Go for it. And then share it. You got to share it with your students so they can actually see it. Get over that fear that we all have of doing something perfect. You can use loom.com if you're looking for a tool. It's free and simple. There's a pro version for educators that's free, or you can use Screencast, another free tool that you can also use for $20 for a premium version. And I would just say go for it. Just do it. It's a little bit uncomfortable at first, but once you do it, it's great. It's a great way to communicate with students effectively and efficiently. Give it a try.